Giveaway for the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. This giveaway is completely free. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. I'll leave his YouTube link down below in the description. Subscribe to him. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram, follow Affordable Shoe Review, and DM me proof that you guys did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of November, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And please, watch out for scammers. There will be people pretending to be me, say they work for me, all this crazy nonsense, WhatsApp, Telegram. I don't have any of that. No one works for me. So please watch out for these scammers, and good luck on the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys subscribe for free monthly sneaker giveaways. That's right, I give away sneakers every month to one of you guys watching who subscribe. So please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 60,000 subscribers. Join the Moore family. Sneakerheads, I want to show you guys my Sole Premise backpack. This backpack is made and designed to store my sneakers safely and securely when I'm traveling. As you guys can see, I can hold up to 6 pairs of sneakers in this bag. There's also a bottom compartment as well for even more space. There's also room for my clothes, my laptop, my chargers, and tons more. Every Sole Premise bag is designed to store your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise with my link in the top of the description down below. And make sure you guys use my code down there as well. My code Danny Moore will give you 40% off your entire order. Sole Premise has backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags, all designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. They have tons of different colors. Be sure to check them out with that link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Jordan 11 Cherry Shock Drop. The Jordan 11 Cherry just dropped. Shock drop on the Nike sneakers app during the live stream. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you copped. I copped. Took a nice W on these. I'm excited to get them in and do some content on them. I'm going to tell you guys right now, profit for my resellers out there. There's not going to be a lot of profit on this sneaker after especially tax, shipping, fees, all of that. Not much profit. They're going for around $270, $280 right now. Right now, people don't even have them in yet. Not a good sign for release day when they're going to drop a ton of pairs. It is the holiday season. It will be the Jordan 11, of course, of the season. A lot of people want their shoe. I just don't see a lot of resale in today's day and time for the sneakers. So, hey, I do recommend selling them ASAP. It's not really a hold. Go ahead and sell them ASAP. Take your quick profits. Move on to the next release. Quick flip them if you can. If you got cop pairs, sell them now. Sell them ASAP. It's a dope sneaker. They're clean. They're wearable. The white, the red. It's the Concord, just with red instead of black. It's really simple. It's a nice colorway. They're better than the Winlike 96, I think they were. I think they were better than those, the old red one. I think these are cleaner, better looking, more wearable. It's a dope Jordan 11. That Nike went ahead and shock dropped. Hey, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the release. I copped. Leave a comment. Let me know if you copped. It's a good shoe overall, and I'm excited for the release. They do release, I believe, on December 11th, I want to say, the beginning of December, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the official release. It did seem like Nike dropped a lot of pairs today because I know people that copped. A lot of people copped. It seemed like they dropped like 6 figures when it comes to Nike sneakers app today. So, hey, let me know down below if you copped. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Make sure you guys get entered into the Lost and Found giveaway. I want to give away a pair of Lost and Found, so make sure you guys enter that free giveaway. Crazy. Woo! Jordan 11 shock drop. These sneaker releases lately have been crazy. It's been a lot. There's been a lot of shoes releasing. It's been madness, and I'm happy. It's dope to see. So they're ending the year off with some bangers, and we got a shock drop finally for the Jordan 11, right? Finally. Finally. We knew it was coming. It's about time. So I'm excited to get these in, do some content on them, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see on these Jordan 11s. Of course, I'll do a resale video talking about resale, but what other content do you guys want to see with the Jordan 11 Cherry? Leave a comment, let me know. Please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to 60,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So please make sure you guys join the More family, smash that subscribe button, join the More family. Hey, if you love sneakers, free sneaker giveaways, please go ahead and subscribe. Man, this is crazy. Crazy. I'm looking at my shoe collection, and yeah, I gotta wear some of these shoes. So I'm gonna go put some shoes on feet, get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. We got a shock drop, finally, right? Finally, for the Jordan 11 Cherry. It's about time. Finally got a nice little shock drop, and I'm excited to get these in and do some content. Real versus fake video coming. Got more content coming on the Jordan 11 Cherries. More sneaker videos dropping. So please make sure you guys subscribe and join the family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. We're on the road to 60,000, so please make sure you guys subscribe so we can get there by the end of the year. Hey, we're on the road to 100K. At the end of the day, let's hit 100,000 subscribers. Get that silver play button. I cannot wait. So please join the family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Shock drop, Jordan 11 Cherry. Finally, right? Finally. Let me know if you guys copped. Quick video here today. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Jordan 11 Cherry is fire. Straight fire. Let me know if you guys copped. I copped. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We out.